Alright, kiddos, we're going to go over your morning work, or daily 180, I guess is what you would say, for today. So correcting the sentences, where did you get that book? Can I read it? Where did you get that book? Question mark. Capital can, capital I, read it, question mark. Your sentence should look like where did you get that book? Question mark. Can I read it? For number 2, don't climb up that old ladder, it isn't safe. Don't, needs an apostrophe and a capital. Climb up that old ladder. I'd put a comma there. It isn't. Apostrophe, or the contraction of isn't safe. And I might put an exclamation mark because I'm really worried about them climbing up that ladder. So I would say, don't climb up that old ladder. It isn't safe. Alright, we're underlining, or not underlining, sorry, finding the words with 2 syllables. Under, pickle, chair, boxes, oil. So those would be under, pickle, boxes. Where does the apostrophe go in these words? W-O-N apostrophe T. And then this one is L-E-T apostrophe S. Name one more thing in this category. There's peas, carrots, beans. These are all vegetables. Oh no. Undo. So you could put anything from broccoli, you could put potato, Brussels sprouts, spinach, whatever vegetable you thought of. Moving on to Math 180, you're going to circle groups of 2. So there are 3 groups of 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 4 is also 2. 37 plus 61 equals 31, or 61 plus 37. What is above the bed? So if the bed is here, if you look at this picture, above the bed would be the window. We could say curtain. Circle the sign, color the sign with a larger area. Make 25 tally marks. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 10. 2, 3, 4, 5. 15. 20. 25. How many hands are on 23 people? So I did repeated addition. Oh, that's not right. Each person has 2 hands. So I could add to 23 times, or I could say 23 times 2. So there's how many hands are on 23 people? There's 2 each, or for a total of 46 hands. You draw equal groups of 2, like up here, until you got to 23, and you would get the same answer.